You know, at a high level, my excitement on LA Philharmonic was just who the client is. I studied audio engineering and had a bit of a focus in psychoacoustics myself, and when we get to go into these spaces that are so perfectly acoustically tuned, that's just exciting for me as an audio nerd to be able to go in there and see how these organizations, function inside of these amazing spaces.
The LA Philharmonic has like 9 camera feeds that are strategically positioned within the Walt Disney World Concert Hall, and they have been recording that content directly to hard disk drives that have been part of AJA kind of Key Pro system. What we've done is go in and help take that a step further by not only recording it locally to a collaborative NAS system, but also recording it directly to a cloud NAS platform called LucidLink, where the assets themselves get recorded to this basically a collaborative SharePoint that can be accessed anywhere in the world.
So the content's getting to them immediately, right? And from there, wherever they're at. So they don't have to be at the facility to be able to access the content anymore. So yes, 100% getting that content in a quicker manner, better. Right, getting the content onto a storage location that is secure and easily accessible, great. And then also being able to integrate it with their existing infrastructure and their other cloud platforms that they're using, that we're using to push it off into those locations, really is helpful.
One challenge the team had to overcome was they originally were supposed to install the whole system in one space that, for various reasons, power, networking, cable runs, even the management of union team members into certain rooms within their environment, it just blocked us from being able to use the original location within the building. And so our team, working with the team at LA Philharmonic, had to actually go around and vet different spaces around the environment, and ended up choosing underneath the stage. And so our systems are actually located under the stage, where the stage can raise and lower for different performances, and it's like tucked away behind where it raises and lowers.
I thought that Chess's ability to work with the client and be able to use their existing infrastructure to then also add a cost-effective, parts to that, and then be able to get them to the 21st century is really nice, in that we didn't have to tear everything out and charge them an arm and a leg to get to where they needed to go. We were able to take what they had, add a little bit of extra to it, and then put them into the right place so that they can now be like everyone else in the 21st century.
We actually put another system in the Hollywood Bowl, and we are going to be putting another one in the Ford Center, and then yet another one into YOLO, which is another one of their venues. So absolutely looking forward to working more with them, and we're already kind of like on the docket to do more work as time marches on.